Hi everyone, this is episode 2 of my little experiment. I am making a Unity plugin that generates low poly trees. Last week I already had a simple generator for static trees. This week I've added a couple of new types, and now you can even have dynamic trees that grow in real time. You can set how long it takes for the tree to grow and also give them different starting ages. This way, your forest can have both small young trees and large old trees mixed together. I also started working on biomes. For now, you can draw a biome area by using biome boundary component. It has just a list of vertices inside, but it's enough for now. You can choose if you want dynamic or static trees, change their settings, and set how many trees to plant. I'll probably use some Perlin noise to make the biomes look more natural. To make it easier to see the biome borders, I added a simple tool that tins the ground inside each biome. Here is how it looks on my phone. My mid-range Samsung runs it at a stable 19 FPS, so I think it's good result. So let's take a walk through the forest. First, the green forest, a pretty standard one, nothing unusual. Next, an autumn biome, all in yellow, simple, but still looks nice. Then trees shaped more like giant mushrooms. For this, I added a new setting for foliage, so it always stays horizontal. This allows you to make similar tree types with flat foliage or even tall vertical stretched shapes. And finally, added forest without leaves. Oh, and thanks for a great comment on the last video. Instead of fixed spawn points for branches, now I can choose a random point along the branch with the probability setting. You can even set it so branches grow only near the trunk, and then you get something like bushes. Thanks for the idea. I have not updated the asset store version yet, but once I finish this biome system, I will upload it. For the next update, I am planning to add more decoration to the world. Things like rocks, flowers, and grass, and maybe some other small details to make the biomes feel more alive. And yeah, I already made enough for coffee. My first sale gave me $5. Thank you so much. That's it for today. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update. See you next time.